So today we'll be studying about the ethical dilemma. As far as ethical dilemma is concerned, first we need to know what is dilemma. Then we'll be moving towards what is ethical dilemma. So first important thing about it is that what is dilemma. Before, without understanding what is dilemma, you won't be able to understand what is ethical dilemma. So I am going to tell you about what is dilemma. Dilemma is a state of indecisiveness. State of indecisiveness means you are not able to decide, you are confused what to do or what not to do. That is dilemma. What to do or what not to do. That is dilemma. Means if you want to appear in the UPSC civil services exam this year or not, that is ethical dilemma. Sorry, that is dilemma. That is not ethical dilemma. Ethical dilemma has a precondition that there will be a competing values. That is the prerequisite of ethical dilemma. Means there will be two competing values, and whatever decision you will take, you will compromise with one value. That is ethical dilemma. Suppose if you are a doctor and you have the medicine to save only one patient, and simultaneously you are getting two patients to treat. So either of the patient will die. You have the medicine to save only one patient, but that's a duty of doctor. That's a value or morality of a doctor to save the patient. But you have the only medicine enough only for to save the one patient. So in that case, whoever patient you will be saving, another one will die. So that is the case of ethical dilemma. Suppose another case, there is a pregnant mother having the fetus in his womb, and both are lethal, both are dangerous, and you can save life of only one, either the mother or the child. So whoever life you will choose to save, one person will die. So in this case where there are two competing values, there will be ethical dilemma. And dilemma is simply you are not able to decide what to do or what not to do. Means whether to have the dinner or to skip the dinner. That is the dilemma. Ethical dilemma, there will be two competing values. Clear?